everybody, all the Indians loves to celebrate the festivals because festivals gives us fun, festival gives us joy, and festival is a time when we can spend much of time with our family, with our friends, with our relatives, right? So this festival is definitely make you lots of fun as well as make you understand about some more importance of the festivals and how we are performing our rituals. Okay? So once again, I Aarti Tiwari is here to make you learn something new and informative in this chapter. This is video number, this is part number 6 which you are going to see, which you are going to watch actually. Okay, so today we will have a discussion on harvesting festival because the national festival we already had a discussion about Independence Day, about Republic Day, about Gandhi Jayanti, and apart from these national festival we already had a discussion on Children's Day as well as Teachers Day also. Then we had a discussion on the religious festival. Religious festival means I told you so many times that India is a very diversified country and there are so many types of people living over here. They are following their own rituals, they are following their own traditional, they are following their own culture, they have their own food habits, they have their own clothes habits. Different communities, peoples are living over there in India, whether it is a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Bauddha, Parsi, Jain. There are so many communities, people living over here. They are the Indian. This is the quality of Hindustan. This is the quality of India, that there are different people living over here, but they are all Indians and they all are living happily, right? Okay. So today we have a discussion on harvesting festival. Okay. Today we have a discussion on harvest festivals. All right. Yes. So everybody take your EVS book, is in your hand. Take out page number 28 and 29. Page number 28 and 29. Okay? And let's have a discussion, a healthy session, interactive healthy session on the harvesting festival. Right? So everybody open your EVS book. Take out page number 18 and 19, and first I will read. Why I will read? We will read. We will read together, and step by step I will make you understand about all the harvesting festival. So first, dear students, you have to understand the meaning of harvest. Harvest means word. This word you have heard so many times from your parents' mouth, from the teachers, that harvest in the month of February or March. So this is the duration. This festival is mainly celebrated between these 2 months. Whether this festival will come in the month of February or sometimes this festival will come in the March or end of the March only. Okay? So these 2 months, among these 2 months, this festival will come always. Okay? It marks the end of winter. It marks the end of winter. This festival Holi is indicate that winter season is going to be end. The winter season is going to be end because this festival we all are celebrating during spring season. And that marks, that indicates that this winter season is going to be finished, is going to be end. Holi is called the festival of color. Yes, Holi is called the festival of colors, and you all the lovely students always love to play with colors, and you all are waiting for this festival. And what is the special quality of this festival? Can anybody tell me? What is the special quality of this festival? Okay, on behalf of you, I will give the answer that this festival nobody can celebrate alone. This festival needs more friends. है ना? Holi तो I cannot play with myself only. I cannot play with only few family. I cannot enjoy with only few family members. Holi is a festival of fun. Holi is a festival of joy. ठीक है? And Holi is the only festival which we cannot celebrate alone. Nah, never. We need some partner. We need some friends. By whom we can play the Holi. By them we can play the Holi. ठीक है? So Holi is the festival of color. Holi will come in the month of February, as well as sometimes it will come in the month of March only. This is the festival of color. And what else is written in the book? People spray colored water and gulal on each other. They sing, they dance and beating the drums. So during Holi festival, what we all are doing? Yes, we all are putting some color and gulal on each other faces, and children are using pichkari. They are filling the color in the pichkari, and they are doing what? Yes, they are spreading colors and gulals on each other, and some special sweets, some special kinds of dishes is made by your mom on this day. And what the people are doing on this day? Yes, they are singing, they are dancing, they are enjoying the festival. Whole day they are enjoying. They are dancing on the beating of the drums. ठीक है? And keep one thing is in your mind while playing Holi, that do not throw the color as well as the gulal on each other's eyes, because nowadays the colors has so many chemicals. ठीक है? And these chemicals can be dangerous to your skin. It is not good for your skin. So please, while playing Holi, be careful. Okay? Understand about the Holi? I don't think so you have lots of problem while Holi, because Holi to all the kids are loving. ठीक है? So how many things you will remember about Holi? Holi comes in the month of February and March. ठीक है? This is one thing. And number 2, Holi is the festival of Holi is the festival of Holi is the festival of color. Holi is the festival of, yes, Holi is the festival of, Holi is the festival of color or colors. ठीक है. Now we will have a discussion on Pongal. Number 2, Pongal. Okay, so let's read first whatever is written about the Pongal in the book. Then step by step we will make the understand about these festivals and the how Pongal is performing, how people are performing on these Pongal, and what are the rituals performed by the people. So Pongal is the harvesting festival of Tamil Nadu. Keep the name of this state, keep the name of this city, or is in your mind that Pongal is the harvesting festival of Tamil Nadu. Pongal is the festival of Tamil Nadu. ठीक है, this festival is celebrated in which state? It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. ठीक है, it falls in the month of January. It falls in the month of January. When these festivals will come? When this festival will fall? This festival will come in the month of January. Alright, this festival will come in the month of January. ठीक है, अब Pongal is 3 days festival. Pongal is 3 days festival. People worship the sun god and the mother cow on this day, and they prepare Pongal rice with newly harvested rice and jaggery. What is written in the book? That this festival, this Pongal festival will go on 3 days. This festival will go on. How long it will go on? 3 days. This festival will go on 3 days. ठीक है. अब on this day, what the people of Tamil Nadu are doing, how they are performing, what they are doing. So they are offering the prayer of sun god. ठीक है, they are remembering the sun god and goddess cow. ठीक है, so what they are doing? They are worshipping of sun, the sun and and mother cow. Right? So during Pongal festival in Tamil Nadu, this festival will go on 3 days, and people of Tamil Nadu, they are offering the prayer to God sun, to Lord sun and mother cow. And what they are making, what kind of a special dish they are making on this day? So the special newly rice, जो नया चावल इस दिन खेतों में से लेकर आया जाता है, राइस की जो फसल होती है, चावल की जो धान की जो फसल होती है, उस फसल को नई चावल की फसल को बनाया जाता है एंड विद न्यू जैगरी, और जो गुड़ होता है वो भी नया गुड़ ही लिया जाता है. ठीक है, राइस क्रॉप्स एंड शुगर कैन क्रॉप. बाय यूजिंग शुगर कैन वी कैन मेक जैगरी. बाय यूजिंग शुगर कैन वी कैन मेक sugar, chini, and as well as we can make jaggery also. Jaggery means गुड़. गुड़ को इंग्लिश में jaggery we are calling. ठीक है, so with new rice, with new jaggery, a special dish will prepare by the Tamil Nadu people. ठीक है, understand about the Pongal? Any problem in this festival? Understand? This festival is celebrated in which state? It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in the month of January, and this festival will go on 3 days. And what they are doing on this day? People are worshipping of the sun, the god sun, as well as mother cow. So on this day they are preparing a special dish with new rice and new jaggery. Okay? Now we will have a discussion on Onam. Now we will have a discussion on Onam. So once again, Onam is again a harvesting festival of India, and it is celebrated in which state? It is celebrated in Kerala. It is celebrated in Kerala. Okay, this festival, this Onam festival is celebrated in Kerala. This Onam festival is celebrated in Kerala. What the Kerala people are doing? They fall this festival in the month of August or September. ठीक है? This festival, this Onam festival is celebrated by the Kerala people, and these festivals will come in the month of August or September. During these 2 months, this festival will come. Okay? So what the Kerala people are doing on this day? The decorated elephant can be seen a big procession. They see Kerala mein there are so many elephants in Kerala, and elephant is also the source of the transport in Kerala. ठीक है? So what they are doing, what the Kerala people are doing on this day, they are decorating their elephants. And they have a big nice huge procession. Procession means एक तरह की यात्रा टाइप से निकालना, जैसे बारात निकलती है ना शादियों में, as like that Kerala people have they decorated their elephant, and then they have a big and huge procession. ठीक है? And this famous and in this day what the Kerala people are doing, they have a famous snake boat race. They have snake boat race. ठीक है? On this day they have this snake boat race, as well as they are decorating their elephants, and they have a big and huge procession on this day. And in this day, this festival will come in the month of August or September. And ठीक है? अब now we have a discussion on Baisakhi. We have a discussion on Baisakhi. Number 3 today we have a discussion on Baisakhi. Baisakhi, this festival will come in the month of April. This festival will come in the month of April. In which month this festival is celebrated? This festival is celebrated in the month of April. And when it's celebrated? This is harvesting. Actually, this is harvesting festival of Punjab. ठीक है? Baisakhi is the harvesting festival of Punjab. It is celebrated in the month of April, 13 April. ठीक है? People express their joy. They beat their dhol, tashe, drums, and they have their famous dance. That name of that dance is Bhangra. The famous dance form is Bhangra. है ना? And men are doing Bhangra and women are doing Gidda. women are doing Gidda. ठीक है? So understand about this festival. Baisakhi is this festival which is celebrated by the Punjabi people, by the Sikh people, and when the wheat crop is ready to cut, they are celebrating Baisakhi. This festival will come in the month of April. And what the Punjabi people are doing on this day? They are wearing new clothes, and men are performing bhangra, and women are performing Gidda. They are beating the dolls and drums and enjoying whole day. ठीक है? Now the last but not least, Bihu. Number 4 harvesting festival is Bihu. Number 4 harvesting festival is Bihu. Bihu is harvested festival of Assam. Bihu is harvested festival of Assam. कहाँ पर होता है ये? कहाँ होता है this festival? This festival is celebrated in Assam. And what the Assami people are celebrating this day? They are the young boys and the girls. They wear the colorful dresses and do the Bihu dance. ठीक है? In the book there is nothing much information is given about the Bihu. Only Bihu is celebrated in Assam, and all the young girls and young boys they are wearing colorful dresses and enjoying the day with dancing. ठीक है? Up turn the page, and the last. Beside the festival, people also celebrated many other festivals. A list of some important festivals is given below. Raksha Bandhan is the festivals of brother and sister. Basant Panchami is celebrated in the honor of goddess Saraswati. Mahashivratri is celebrated in the honor of Lord Shiva. Janmashtami is the birthday of Lord Krishna, and Navratri is celebrated in the honor of goddess Durga. ठीक है? अब each and every festival's name and about that festival, about those festivals, more information it cannot be given in the book. But if we want to find out, if we want to come to know, we can have a quick discussion on those festivals. ठीक है? So apart from these festivals, we Indians are celebrating some more festival, है ना? We are celebrating Basant Panchami. We are celebrating in the month of January we are celebrating Makar Sankranti, then Basant Panchami, then Mahashivratri, then Holi will come. ठीक है? Then apart from these, then in Bihar side, in North India, Chhath Puja is a very huge and big celebration. ठीक है? And the Teej festival celebrated by the Rajasthani community. Then Garba festival is celebrated in a huge level by the Gujarati people. ठीक है? And then yes, Govardhan Puja is very famous in Madhya Pradesh. ठीक है? So apart from all these festivals, some more festivals names we can understand. Chhath Puja, Govardhan Puja, Teej, है ना? Then Shivratri, Vasant Panchami, and there are so kite making festival, Makar Sankranti. These all are the so many festivals, that all the festivals celebrated by the all Indians. And yes, of course, Rath Yatra is very famous in Jagannath Puri in Odisha. ठीक है? So it is the story of the all Indian festivals, and I told you so many times that India is a land of festival. Each and every day, each and every week, each and every month, we all Indians are celebrating so many festivals. Festival gives us fun, gives us joy, and festival gives us time to whom we can, what I can say, that festival is a time when we can spend much more quality time with our family, with our friends. During festival, we all are decorating our houses, we all are wearing new clothes, we all are greeting one another, we all are exchanging gifts from one another, we are preparing special dishes on this day, we all are enjoying on this day. Okay? So some festival is celebrated only one day, some festivals is celebrated 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 days celebration, है ना? So I hope that you all can understand about all these festivals. You all can understand about all these festivals. Whatever discussion we had in the previous classes, you can understand all those discussion very nicely in this same classes also. In the same classes also. So my dear students, when we will meet in the next class, definitely we will solve the entire exercise, the whole exercise of the chapter. So it's time to say bye-bye and have a nice day, or God bless you all. When we will meet in the next class, we will do the exercise. So get ready with your EVS notebook next time, your pencil, sharpen your pencil nicely and do the entire exercise with good handwriting is in your EVS notebook. So it's time to say bye-bye from my side. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. God bless.